Sometimes, when I open my little window in the morning and feel the first breath of wind on my face, I remember how strength used to rise naturally inside me, like the sun. But as we grow, especially after 35, our days begin carrying a quiet heaviness. If you feel that too, my dear sister, come, sit with me for a while. Welcome to Herviora, where we walk gently with nature and listen to what our bodies try to whisper. When I was younger, living in my small village, I would watch the older women begin their mornings slowly. They never rushed. They touched their teacups like they were touching a friend. Over the years, I understood something. Tiredness doesn't always come from doing too much. Sometimes it comes from forgetting to pause. Today, let me share simple ways that helped many women regain their natural spark. Just small rituals, easy and warm like a comforting hand on your back. If you've been feeling tired even before the day begins, if your eyes feel heavy by afternoon, if you often say, "Why do I feel so drained even when life seems normal?" Please know, nothing is wrong with you. Your body just needs a little loving support. Women over 35 carry invisible responsibilities. They care for families, homes, work, emotions, and somewhere in between, we forget ourselves. So today, we bring ourselves back gently, without pressure, without guilt. Tiredness in this stage of life often comes from three quiet causes: low digestive fire, poor sleep quality, and small hormonal shifts that accumulate. We don't need complicated medicines for this, just steady, kind nourishment. Here are 5 simple remedies inspired by Ayurveda but made easy for every home. Remedy 1: Warm, spiced water sip. This is something the older women in my village used to drink. Heat 1 cup of water, add a small pinch of cinnamon powder and a tiny pinch of dry ginger. Let it sit for 1 minute. Sip slowly. This helps wake up digestion gently, which reduces the kind of tiredness that feels like heaviness behind the eyes. Remedy 2: Midday energy dates. Take 1 or 2 soft dates around noon. Nothing fancy, just simple dates found anywhere in the world. Dates give slow, steady energy and support iron levels. Chew slowly, like you are honoring the sweetness entering your body. This keeps afternoon fatigue away. Remedy 3: 10-minute sun breathing. Sit near a window where soft sunlight enters. Place your hand on your chest. Take slow breaths. Inhale for 4, exhale for 6. Do this for 10 minutes. Sunlight and slow breathing together calm the nervous system, which often gets overstretched in women handling many roles. This small ritual resets the mind. Remedy 4: Warm oil foot massage. 2 minutes only. Before bed, warm 1 spoon of any gentle oil you have: olive, sesame, or even coconut. Massage your feet for just 2 minutes. This helps your sleep become deeper and more nourishing. Good sleep is one of the strongest natural remedies for daily tiredness. Remedy 5: Early evening light dinner rule. Try to keep your dinner simple: a bowl of soup, steamed vegetables, or a light wrap, whatever your home has. Avoid heavy late night meals because digestion slows in the evening, especially after 35. A light dinner reduces that next morning fatigue that feels like carrying yesterday inside today. These remedies are friendly to most women, but listen to your body. If you have a medical condition or if tiredness feels very unusual or sudden, please speak with a doctor you trust. Natural care works best when paired with wise medical guidance. My dear friends, remember, your energy is not lost. It just needs a little warm hand, a little reminder that you deserve softness too. Take each remedy slowly. Make them part of your day like small prayers to your own well being. If this time together felt calming, you're welcome to stay close to our little circle here at Havyora. You may softly subscribe or join me in the next video where we continue learning how to care for ourselves the natural, gentle way. I'm sending you a quiet smile, the kind that says, you are doing your best and it's enough.